Me get a fat team, huh? January 18th. Ring Warriors, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, the King of Florida, Francisco Chiazzo and Pablo Marquez. You see, my friend, you drew the short straw. Anybody who knows anything about Florida wrestling knows that Cassidy Riley stole that win from Francisco Chiazzo. He had the hair, he had the trunks, and he had that referee right in his back pocket. Come January 18th, Pablo Marquez, you and me, head to head, mano y mano. You see, my friend, you are unleashing the beast himself, because I plan to avenge that loss. Because I'll be damned if the King of Florida is going to be considered a loser in NWA Ring Warriors or anywhere else in this country. Pablo Marquez, King of Florida, Francisco Chiazzo with Big Key Cannon right by his side. Going all the way to the top of Ring Warriors to get that gold around my waist. Majamina B!